So here we are in the garden of the Billy Buddha series of 214. Got some tomatoes growing. Over here there's some lovely tomatoes growing on the vine. Now, if you wasn't aware of this, the tomatoes are actually of the nightshade family of herbaceous species. Lots of tomatoes growing there, we're quite successful there. The chemtrails didn't get those today. So as you see, we've got these nice roots here coming up through a bit of climbing material and growing as tall as they can with a nice strong root. And this is a little strawberry patch right here. Do we have any strawberries? No. But they're trying to grow out and extend their arms now. We have lots of potatoes here. Got some little cardinals. Zoom up with the cardinal bird. Little baby cardinals. Just haven't quite fully grown yet, but they've got a lovely red tone and a crest on their lovely little beaks. That's a happy little cardinal there. And over here, this is a potato bin kind of thing. And there's another potato bin. It's doing rather well. It's got some. And potatoes are also of the nightshade family. Now the nightshades consist of eggplants, potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, chili peppers actually. And you know, I have found out about these little flowers here are the flowers that will actually produce another tomato. So these nightshade plants are doing quite well. They've been eaten a little bit here, as you can see. And a big old caterpillar comes by. I'll show you a picture of that. Called the tobacco hornworm. And there's the tomato hornworm. But to distinguish between the two, they got a little tail in the back that's kind of boom like that. And there's some more lovely flowers. And the tobacco hornworm is distinguished from a red tail as opposed to a black tail that's on a tomato hornworm. Now actually they're not worms, they're caterpillars there. Got quite unusual faces. And now these are just blooming. They're in the butterfly garden here, and this is a butterfly garden designed to attract butterflies. So you've got these lovely purple sages back here. This is salvia, purple sage. And these plants, I'm not sure what they are. They're a nice colour, they attract butterflies. And then in here we've got some, look, watch out. This is architecture. There's two little spiders there, and one very big spider there. This spider has been hanging out here for a little while. And as you can see, he's got some little purple legs. I think they call this a banana spider. And there's one of his little cubs behind. But you see, this is intricate three-dimensional web with the main face, and then using the butterfly garden tentacles and this tree to build a web. So let's go have a look at this web underneath the fig tree here. This is a fig tree. I don't know if there's any figs left on it. Doesn't look like it. We picked all those and used them for this bentonite clay mixture, where you combine a mashed fruit with bentonite clay. There's the underside of the belly of this beautiful spider. Very large for a close-up through the webbing. See if he moves. His little buddy's moving. And now he's moving. He's checking out what's going on the other side of his web. And he wants to make sure everything's cool. Now look at the striations of this web. It's amazing. That is nature. Nature art at its finest. With that, another episode of this Billy Buddha's Nature Series in the year of 2014. Hope you're enjoying this spider nature art.